Hi, it's Janice Thompson from JazzleDazzleCraft.co.uk. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator and I live and work in Scotland. So today I have come on to do the third card in our April 2021 card kit class in the post. And this one I've done, I think I've used Real Red, Merry Merlot, and I think that was Pretty Peacock. Yes, it was Pretty Peacock, which has now left us, or leaving us at the end of April. And this time I am going to use the new colours, the colours that are coming in for 2021, 2023. They stay with us. So I'm just going to do the same composition but using different colours this time. So I'll pop that to the side. It's really a very quick and easy card. You can do loads of these very quickly. So I've got a white card base. I have a fresh freesia layer, which is cut to 13.4 centimetres by 9.1 centimetres. And then this is 4 millimetres smaller all the way around. Basic white to stamp on. Really classic kind of composition and easy, you know, a way of making a card, not composition, but you know what I mean. So I am going to put my sentiment on in the middle. You see me do this hundreds of times, but I need a stamp set before I can do that. So this is the Pretty Perennials. Yes, so this is the third card, yep. So I need the happy. I already have, oh yeah, they're on my stamper. Because I'm doing all my filming at the same time, I've got some stamps over here on my Stamparatus from my previous card, but we'll get them here. And so that one I've done sending lots of happy. So I think I might do happy birthday this time, because happy birthday cards are quite handy, aren't they? Right, and I'll stamp this with the greens, I think. The happy is the word that we want, the prominent word. It's a beautiful stamp, this. I absolutely think this is fab. I have used it. There's YouTube videos there of me using this, but this is what we did in our class kit. So I'm just going to pop, the happy sort of towards that corner a wee bit. Oh, it's just lovely. And the birthday this time. And I think we'll just stick with the Evening Evergreen. It's a beautiful colour, beautiful colour. And I'm just going to pop the birthday there. Happy birthday, cool. So that's that, but I'll put these in the box for cleaning, just in case I need the block. Right, and then really just going to stamp some flowers. Again, we'll use the three colours. Let's go with fresh freesia first. Now I am not sure that I cleaned these, so I'm just going to give them another clean. Sometimes filming 3 or 4 videos in a row with the same stamp set, I'm in danger of not cleaning things. So let's, right, so fresh freesia for the big flower. Yeah. So I'm just going to, it's just lovely. We have another one up here. Now I'm going to stamp down this time, stamp off, and then over the happy, just so that there's a flower there but it's not taking over my sentiment. And that's all I'm going to do with this big flower. The next size I'm going to go and do with the, whoops, this time with pale papaya. I'm just taking them as they come, to be honest. Some pale papaya. And then we'll just, oh no, I won't do that because that was on the corner, so I don't want lines on my stamp. So stamp, ink it up, stamp it off, and then that one can go over the birthday. Do the difference. Yeah. And then I have one about there. And then I'm going to get a smaller flower. There's another little one here that's the same sort of texture. Here it is, couldn't find it. That one there. And we'll do that with the pink. Polished pink. It's a beautiful colour. Absolutely adore it. This is my favourite pink. Magenta Madness was for a wee while, but this is now my favourite pink. And I'm just going to pop this in the spaces. Whoops. Absolutely adore these new colours. I can't get enough of them. Right, enough. Take that off to clean it, and then I'm going to put some centres in my flowers. Now, there's quite a few choices here for centres, but for the big one, let's use this. Where's my block gone? Where's my little block? Did you ever know someone who could lose things? So it's right in front of me. Oh, dear me, dear me, dear me. Right, so I'm thinking, let's see how we get on with some soft succulent. If it's not dark enough, then I will go for the evening evergreen, but let's just try. Oh, that's lovely. Delicious. Oh, yeah. Right, then we need to stamp off and on. There we go. Right, now we need to decide on a centre for the other flowers. Alright. Put that one away. And we've got these little wee dots here, make ideal flower centres. And every time I look at that, it reminds me of the wee stick man, because it's like two wee eyes there. This teeny weeny one. Now, I actually think for the pale papaya ones I might use the pink, seeing as it's open. I'm just layering up. And again, stamp off, then on for that one. And then we'll use the evening evergreen, the dark one, on the pink. I think I'm going to close this up before I have an accident. And then clean this off with my trusty chamois, and let's give the little pink flowers a middle. Just gives another wee dimension on your card, but it's flat, so really this is definitely hashtag simple stamping. A wee bit there. Oh, this one. There we go. That's us. Easy peasy. And then, quite simply, again, another really simple card. You can make loads of these. You could churn them out, have great fun stamping them and then making them up. You could use your different colours to see what effect you like best. And then glue this onto the card base. Card done. You can of course decorate your envelope if you want. I'm putting this onto a plain white card. Doesn't have to be, it could be on a coloured. I think it would even look lovely on polished pink. And there you go. I'll take this off so you can see. Let's find that all the ink distracts. And you can buy these grid pads for working on. I love them. At the back of the catalogue, they're there. So thank you very much. Card 2, I love these. I just love these colours. I hope you do too. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Press the bell icon and you'll get notified when I'm on again. Thank you.